Every year, thousands of accidents occur because riders skip wearing helmet. What if the bike decides to not start unless the helmet is worn? Hello guys, we, Team Asterix, introduce to you Myosa Secure Ride System, the MSRS, also called the Guardian Link. Let me start by simply explaining to you the architectural design. First, we have used two microcontrollers. The first is the Myosa motherboard, which is used in the helmet unit. It detects the helmet being worn or not by its majorly two sensors, the gesture sensor and the barometric pressure sensor, as you can see. Once confirmed, it sends a secure wireless signal to the bike unit, which uses the second microcontroller. So, which means that the bike will not start unless the helmet is worn. And once the helmet is worn and confirmed for 5 seconds, the ignition is enabled. And in the bike unit, we have used a buzzer as well, which gives an audio confirmation of the helmet being worn, and is also used to represent the bike's motor after ignition. So let us start by giving you a simple practical demonstration. Let's start by powering on both the circuits. As you can see, since I have not worn the helmet, the display on the bike unit is showing that the helmet has been removed and the ignition has been disabled. And you can see, even if I try to start the bike, the buzzer is responsive. The buzzer, which represents the bike motor, is not responsive. So let's see what happens when I wear the helmet. As you can see, since I've worn the helmet, the display is showing that the helmet is proper and the ignition has been enabled, and the buzzer was responsive indeed. And if I try to give the bike the ignition, you can see the buzzer is responsive, which means that the bike will start indeed if and only if I wear the helmet. The Myosa Secure Ride System also has an extra safety feature that ensures the safety of the user at all times. The bike unit, during a fall or a crash event, will make sure to shift to emergency modes by observing the abnormal activities and motions. Let's just say my hand represents the axis of a bike, and during a fall condition, the bike tilts to either left side or the right side. And when I tilt my hand to the left extreme or the right extreme, the display will show as fall detected and will request the user to manually reset the whole unit. Let me just demonstrate it. See, the fall has been detected, so it is requesting for a reset. So once I reset the circuit, it all goes back to normal. During a crash state, we all know that there's a sudden jerk in the motion. So let me demonstrate to you what happens during the crash, and the bike unit will make sure to send an SOS signal and to contact the emergency services as well. As you can see, it shows that the SOS has been sent and it has contact help services. So my dear friends, the Guardian Link combines safety, intelligence and reliability in a compact embedded system. This kind of system can be used in any bike, which ensures the safety of the user at all times, because safety is not optional. Thank you.